One question I get all the time as a female Uber and Lyft driver is it safe to drive, especially at night? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To everyone who has subscribed, thank you for your support. If you are new here, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can stay updated with more real life driving experiences in Vancouver. I would also like to give a shout out to my passengers from Richmond, Mylene and Leona. Hello there. Thank you so much and nice meeting you. I hope you are watching right now. And now, back to our topic. Many people assume that drunk passengers are the biggest challenge for rideshare drivers, especially at night. But honestly, I don't usually have problems with passengers who have been drinking. In fact, many of them are friendly, respectful, and often leave good tips. And by the way, thank you. Really, they are all happy people. They just want to sing and chat. So that's what I like. The passenger I find more challenging are sometimes the ones who are running late for work, an appointment, even going to the airport. That's the biggest one. That's my biggest problem because they are already late or an important commitment. There have been times when I have waited several minutes for a rider to come out. When they finally get into the vehicle, I follow my normal routine. I greet them, confirm their names, and verify their destination to make sure I have the right passenger. Sometimes they don't want to hear any of that. They are already stressed because they are late and just want me to start driving immediately. Some become backseat drivers. They give directions or comment on every turn because or they are worried about getting there on time. Others don't say much, but you can feel their stress through their body language. You know, that's what they said, actions speak louder than words. I have even had passengers ask me, did you get stuck in traffic? The app said you would be here in 2 minutes, but it took 4. I usually explain that traffic wasn't the issue. Then they just simply say, okay, just go. So, from my experience as an Uber and Lyft driver, drunk passengers are usually not my biggest concern. At the end of the day, I remind myself that their urgency is not my emergency. My responsibility is to get every passenger to their destination safely. And that is exactly what I focus on every day. Driving safely will always be more important than driving fast. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe for more real life driving stories from Vancouver.